If you are getting divorced and want guidance from an experienced lawyer to help you and your spouse mediate an agreement, please call me. My name is Brian McNamara. I have been a Texas family lawyer since 1992. It's unfortunate the law ends marriages in the same forum and with the same rules as it resolves contracts and car wrecks. At the courthouse. Early in my career, I saw this is not ideal. It's unnatural. The family code provides some rules, but the general rules of procedure and evidence apply in family law, and they are inappropriate for ending an intimate relationship. No matter how comfortable you are or are not with getting divorced, it's impossible to suddenly think of your spouse as an opposing litigant the way you would somebody who hit your car or a business you're suing. The nature of marriage, no matter how long the marriage has been, makes it unrealistic to suddenly see your spouse as an opposing litigant. It's unhealthy and bad for children. Mediation is a great alternative. Most mediations happen after a divorce has been filed. Each party has a lawyer, and the spouses have litigated against each other for several months, maybe over a year. I offer an alternative. The Texas Supreme Court holds that a mediated settlement agreement signed before a divorce is filed that meets the statutory requirements of the Texas Family Code is valid, it's binding, it's irrevocable. Reaching a binding agreement makes the process of pre-divorce mediation worth the cost and effort. It's less than a traditional litigated divorce, and you get the security of an enforceable agreement. I can help you reach that agreement without litigation. By video conference or in my office, I use my 30+ years of experience, my legal knowledge, and knowing what works to get to a mediated agreement that divides property and does what's best for your children. This is not arbitration. I do not issue a decision. I guide spouses or parents toward an agreement. I can also help if your divorce is already filed. Mediation is a great way to end a dispute, no matter how far along it is. The first step is an initial reduced fee conference where I describe the process and determine generally where everyone is in terms of the divorce and making an agreement. Sometimes a single additional conference gets it done. Often there's one conference for property and another for children. Unlike mediation, we don't schedule one session for 4 or 8 hours and then quit and head to court if there's no agreement. Several sessions are usually needed. Everyone moves at their own speed. Before signing an agreement, each spouse has time to consult a lawyer, a CPA, a financial advisor, a therapist, school counselor, whomever they want. During the initial conference, I explained that spouses sign an agreement acknowledging I am a mediator and represent neither of them. After a mediated settlement agreement is signed that conforms to the Texas Family Code, I'm available to file and finalize the divorce. The mediated settlement agreement, called an MSA, includes a provision about who will file the divorce and be the petitioner. I can write the divorce decree per the MSA. To learn more about mediation before filing for divorce, or even if your divorce is already filed, please call 281-358-3444 or email us to schedule a reduced fee conference. I'm licensed to practice in every county and state court in Texas, from Justice of the Peace to the Texas Supreme Court. Mediations by video conference are common and highly effective. I can help no matter where you live in Texas, and I look forward to hearing from you.